Now, how do you close all open windows on your Android device? Let me show you how it works. And if you're new here on this channel, subscribe so you don't miss anything important. So of course, you are browsing your apps as usual. You might go to the settings, you might open up the gallery, whatever. But if you want to make sure that all of the apps are now like closed in the background, just tap on this multitasking button at the bottom, right? So you click on it like this. And as you can tell, you can swipe up on the individual things, but you most definitely have the button to close all windows. And using this button, all of them will be closed. So if you come back in here, no recently used apps are shown in there. So that's how you can close all of them. So that's one thing you need to know. But outside of that, you might also notice, and you pay attention to the top left corner. So when you go into this page, pay attention to this area right there, because it might tell you that there are some apps running in the background. Depends on your phone, but if you have some background running services, it's going to let you know about it right there. And you can also control it individually for all apps. So upon going to the settings and apps right in here, you can decide individually that every app can be running in the background as well. So if I tap on, for example, the web browser in there, find the battery situation, you can see that if you choose it to be unrestricted, which will allow this app to use the battery in the background without any restrictions, right? So this means that the app can now run in the background even if you fully close it. So for most apps, I personally keep it to restricted because I only want to use them when the app is actually open, but it is obviously up to you. So that is all that I wanted to explain in this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.